Alright guys, it is the opening day of Iowa's first season and the opening day of Iowa's archery season, and Jack got an archery tag. We're going to be going out tomorrow for the very first time, and we're super excited to be able to hunt again. He's got the car, and we're going to be hunting out of the dorms, so we're going to leave his bow in an apartment, and we're going to have a long haul, probably a kind of a mess trying to get everything figured out in the mornings, but we're going to try to go as many mornings as we can during the week, and it should be really fun hunting. So right now we're just driving some of the public land we're going to be hunting, and we're figured we'd look for any birds in some of the bean stubble fields on our way back to college. So just got a longbeard spotted walking right into the River Bluff public land unit. Might be able to go after him in the morning. We weren't planning on going exactly to this spot, but because he is walking into the public, we might go in here instead. So it's good to see, and I guess it made this drive out here worth it on our way back, so keep going.
Good morning, kids. We're going turkey hunt.
Nice blue denim there, Dylan.
We got about 4:40 on the old clockage. Perfect time to slay turkeys.
What you got for breakfast this morning?
T Roadhouse dinner rolls, baby.
That's what we're talking about, boys. Breakfast of a champion.
From the treetop, my girl laying on my lap. Down the door here, and they think he's better than the rest.
A little bit of a miscalculation on the time it took to get out here this morning by 20 minutes. So we're running a little late, but they should stay on the limb a long time this morning, soak up some sun, I would imagine. This is a big ridge top that runs down into this marsh here, and it's got an ag field to the north. We're gonna walk this ridge down and see if we can get anything gobbling on the public. Finally got on some gobbles. Moving in on her here. Shoot. They may on that point. Right, one of these two. They're in this bottom. Looks like there's a head down there. There's a lot of birds down there. We gotta get set up somewhere. Since we're already over here, let's go down this point. What do you think? Yeah. That's a jake, isn't it? There's no way Hunter can sell that bad. Oh, yeah. I think this might not be a bad spot. It's right in between the two main ridges. Go down this point here. At least right over there. Like a couple of birds. Got one right on the other side of that ridge. It's a really long ridge. I like to be on that side of them, but I don't know if we can get around them. We just need to go. They're just right over that hill. We might be able to call them up, I think. They're not too far. I think I need to get to the top. I think you guys need to get to the top. I might try to stay here. It's not a bad idea. Yeah, I'd get there. got back to the car. We lost the birds this morning. They stopped gobbling. I'm sure they'll start up now that we're out of the woods, but we're gonna go check some fields around here, see if we can just locate one and get on a lot. They're going in right over there. Are they spooked? A little spooked. What? A little bit, not bad. I still see him. What? I don't think there's any way I would have seen him. Probably not. It's a deer. These tracks on here. I think we can call them up to this. Hat turns backward, so you know I'm serious when I say this. We just spooked that tom. We got in here, saw him in this big field, and we were just being idiots. We thought we already spooked him. He was walking away, kind of like somewhat of a fast pace, and he walked into the cover right in there, knew exactly where he was. So we came up here and we snuck down this side of this little levee here or whatever, this path. Really quiet way to get to him, and we were pretty sure he didn't see us, so we thought we were in the green. Set up the decoy, called for a while, nothing happened, never gobbled, and we just assumed we spooked him originally. So we were just walking around, kind of messing around, not really paying attention. And there he was on the road right here. He flew back to the car. If we had just stayed in the car, had one person in the car, we would have gotten him. But it's gonna conclude this morning. So first morning out in the woods, and pretty good. I guess we were on birds, just never really had a legitimate setup to get on one close and get a shot. So see what happens tomorrow. We'll be back out here in the morning. Where's Tom Foley at? There she goes.
There we go.
I don't think that side's public.
I think that's spooked, to be honest.
We were able to get back out for the afternoon hunt. We weren't expecting to, but we were able to get out here. It's a beautiful afternoon, so got out here to go hunt. So we're in a place that we've never been to before. We're trying to figure out what all is public and what isn't. Just got word that we're working with Onyx Maps now, and so it'd be nice to have those right now. I need to download those tonight. So anyway, we're driving around right now. We're gonna try to locate some turkeys and then go get on them this afternoon.
Public here. We're gonna see if we can spot any turkeys out in the fields. See if we can see the backside of some of these fields. So.
Got some turkey spot on the backside there.
I bet they're gonna roost right.
All right, so where are we at?
We can get on those birds pretty easy, I think.
We got to figure out if that's public.
It is.
Do you guys want to ask that house?
We're in business, boys. Just got permission from the farmer that owns this field here.
We were just driving around and happened to spot, what is it, 4 or 5 turkeys out?
I don't
Maybe
know.
a little more than that. I don't know. It's kind of hard to see, but they're right on the edge of public in this guy's private land, and we got permission to hunt it. So really nice guy, and
We're gonna access it from this side, go down this nice drainage. Should pop out right by him.
should be perfect, honestly. So we'll see what we
Get
can
it
do.
done.
Is it on?
What is that? No scent free? Oh, that is scent free, isn't it?
Yeah, we don't want the turkeys to smell us.
What do you got going back here, Cheddar?
Irritated.
Ready to kill? They're basically in the timber now. Yeah.
They'll come back out, or we can get on them anyway.
It's actually kind of perfect. We're almost down to where these birds are. So we have I saw 2 birds over here to the left last time I checked. And then Jack spotted a lone tom over here to the right side of this waterway here. So we should have at least a chance at one of these birds. If it's a lone tom on this right side, that's the one we're going to target, because we should have a good chance of pulling them into our decoys.
Let's let him get up there, and then we'll put the decoys right on this ground here. Drag him right past. There's a lone tom that we think he's still in this corner. And there's a big group of birds quite a ways away, so we're going to set up on this side first. Just messed up our turkey hunting for sure. We got a bunch of birds roosted up here. Fortunately, it didn't work out for us tonight. Just by the time we got back in here, it took forever. And they were already heading to roost and back in the timber by the time we got set up. So hard to turn them when they're doing that. But unfortunately, it's going to rain tomorrow morning. Still could shape up to be a really productive morning, because we know exactly where a bunch of these birds are roosted. So we'll see what happens. We'll probably be out here, won't we?
Yep.
Yeah. See you tomorrow, guys.